Well, there's my email address, my name, contact email. Contact me if you're interested in getting this from me. Be a lot less than you probably think it might be. All right. Now this cassette deck here plays, all right, but the volume control doesn't work. None of the controls up here work. Well, yeah, they just don't work. I don't know what's wrong with this. This is a Diatone JR-711, all right. It's got AM and FM. The cassette deck here. Let's see here. This is stop. Fast forward. The other way. Play. Stop. Play. Music search. Music search the other direction. So it does work very well. It just, you can't hear it. Faintly. It's very hard to hear. Now, let's see here. It's got these controls here. Got this. The one switch cap cover, it broke. You don't need to remove. Well, anyway. It's got. I'm powering it that way. There, that's on this end. Doesn't have the handle. Okay. I bought it not knowing it didn't have a handle, but and it's got these controls here, like that. Okay. And looks like this. Let me put it on a tripod to show you the rest. Okay, so alright, so there's the rest. Now I'll go this way. Okay. And then in the back, alright, so in the back. So yeah. In the back, got a battery compartment. And in the battery compartment is the little, I don't know what you call it, little clips that hold the handle on if it had one. And then here's the switch cap cover that broke. I even got the little piece that goes to it right there. You just have to glue it on there. And anyway, so there's that in the battery compartment. Comes with a power cord whenever. Alright, so there's that. Right, and it's got, that's the rear model number thing. Here are the antennas. They go out, they go up, they come down, all that. Same thing over here. It's got the tip, come up, go out, you know, go out, come in like that. Okay. Oh yeah, AM FM. That's right. Let's go back to show you that. All right. Okay, so put this back around. Okay, so. And this back around, right? Kind of hard to maneuver without having a handle, but anyway. Okay, so you hit stop. Which one's stop? This is stop. Eject, take your tape out, put your tape in, hit play. Right? All day long. So hit stop, take your tape out. And the door just comes off like that. So you just line it up and comes off too easily. Wait, I didn't catch it. Well, who knows? Anyway, it goes like that. Okay. And then, oh yeah, there's the radio. Anyway, so here's the, okay. So there's the stereo light, okay. The radio plays. LED video meters dance and all that, so put it on AM. So there's AM, see the meters moving, right? Okay. So just need somebody that knows how to repair the capacitors in the preamp section of this. And, you know, once again, you can, you know, that's my email address. Just, you know, contact me there. You have to write it down. Yes, it's difficult, you know. Oh man, okay. Alright, what else? That's it, really, okay. And then while I'm at it, let me just put this thing down, alright. Okay, and we got, yeah, so then we've got this thing here. This is the Diatone model JR-911. It's plugged in, you turn it on, boom. And I can't remember on this one, it's here. So here's on FM, there's FM. Some volume, you got to get it on.
On KNON.
Globally important collection. Hat and hit.
Anyway, and then the cassette doesn't work. Let's see. Drop the cassette in, right? There. Nothing. Now I tried taking apart this other one down here on the floor and see if because both cassette decks are identical, almost. They're just wired differently, so I couldn't take the tape deck from this one down here on the floor and put it up in this one, so just couldn't do it. So this one needs a tape deck. It's got new belts in it, but the deck doesn't work, so I don't know. Anyway, this one's complete. The handle, right? It's got antennas, both with their tips and such. Okay. Yeah, it's got, you know, inputs and whatever. I think I showed this in some other video, but and this one takes 10D batteries. Here's the other end, right? Then let's see here. There's the battery compartment. It runs on batteries. I made the video the other day about it running on batteries. The line-in works. Okay, so anyway, they're both for sale. Once again, you can contact me, you know, here. Alright, just write it down. My name is James Pierce. Well, you know, like that. Okay. So there's that. Turn the power off on this thing and we can go back to playing my tape, right? Yeah, so hit that. Play. And oh, yeah. You just can't hear it. That's the only thing that sucks about this. Can't hear it. I mean, it's playing, but anyway, that's all I know. So good day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go move on to something else. Alright, so just wanted to show you this. Alright. Thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye.